Hi everyone. So today in this video, I would like to discuss the PhD interview experience at IIT Jodhpur Mathematics Department in the field of probability and statistics. So in the beginning, again, first question was the introduction of yourself. Okay, so give the introduction, and the second, then they started with why normal distribution is so important. Normal and chi-square distribution. These two are so important. And next question was when can you how can you check like how can you check a given data is normally distributed. Okay, then next he asked uh, what is linear regression. And why it is important again. I mean, what is the use of it and why it is again important, linear regression. Then they asked what is the correlation coefficient? Correlation coefficient of x and y. So what is correlation coefficient of x and y? And then they asked, what if correlation coefficient of xy is equal to 0? Then what can you say? Then they asked coefficient of determination. So what is coefficient of determination? What is the coefficient of determination? And then there was what is r square, like this in case of linear regression. So what is r square? And then they ask next question, what is most powerful test? Most powerful test, okay, in testing of hypothesis. And then one teacher finished there, so next teacher started with, so they started with what is random variable. So next was what is a random variable. And then next question is if variance of x is 0, then what can you say about x? Distribution of x. So what is the distribution of x? Okay, so what is the distribution of x? If variance of x is 0, x is a random variable, so variance of x is 0, then what is the distribution of x? And the next question, they asked, if you have all the moments, so can you find the moment generative function? If you have all moments of x, then can you find MGF? And the next question they asked, opposite of that, if you have MGF, moment generative function, then can you find all moments? Okay, so the next question is, yeah, so can you find expectation in Cauchy random variable? So answer is no. So they asked like Ex. So if you say Ex does not exist, so they will ask you why. So in that case, like if you say this condition violates, this is the necessary condition in case of existence of moment generating existence of Ex, expectation or mean. So mean of this random variable Ex is defined as this for continuous random variable if this exists. Okay, so this integral exists, I mean this must be finite. So then you can say moment generating function, expectation exists. If this quantity is finite, then you can say expectation exists. If this is not, so in case of Cauchy random variable, this is plus infinity. This quantity is plus infinity. It is not finite. So that's why this is not. So there's why. So why you need. So the question is why you need this condition. So why you need this finite. So actually you will see this in definition, like whenever you see the definition of expectation. So there they mention provided this must be finite. So question is why you need this? What is the logic behind that? Okay. Then next question is what is the strong law of large number? What is the strong law of large number? Like if you say for a sequence of IID random variable x in bar converges almost surely to mu, you can say, or you can say ex. Okay, or you can say mu. So mu is the mean of the any one of the random variable. Since all are IID, that's it. So they ask what is then almost sure convergence? What is almost sure convergence? So you can define them. Then they asked if you have a two random variable x, y, okay, continuous, jointly continuous random variable. So both are continuous random variable on R square, okay. So what is the probability that xy will fall on a line? Or question is what is the probability that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? So what is the probability that xy are linear to each other or they will fall on a line? So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so this was the question. And so since xy is continuous random variable on R square, so probability of this should be 0. So question is why 0? Okay, so there the interview over. Okay, so thank you. I hope it will help you.